Your smart doorbell is watching you, your Alexa is listening to your conversations, and right now, a hacker could be controlling all of it from thousands of miles away. What I'm about to show you will make you question every connected device in your home. Hey everyone, and if you're one of the 75% of Americans who own at least one smart home device, this video could save you from becoming the next victim of a devastating IoT attack. Today, we're diving deep into the dark world of smart home hacking. I'll show you exactly how cybercriminals are exploiting your Ring doorbells, Alexa devices, and other IoT gadgets, plus give you a bulletproof defense strategy. Let's get started. Before we dive into the technical stuff, let me paint you a picture. Last year, a family in Tennessee woke up to their Ring camera being used to harass their 8-year-old daughter. The hacker had gained access through a simple password attack and was speaking directly to the child through the device they thought was protecting them. This isn't an isolated incident. In 2023 alone, there were over 112 million IoT-based cyber attacks. That's one attack every 39 seconds. Your smart home devices are essentially mini computers, each one a potential entry point for cyber criminals. The problem isn't just privacy invasion. Once hackers gain access to one device, they can use it as a stepping stone to access your entire network, your laptops, phones, bank accounts, everything. It's called lateral movement, and it's happening right now in homes across the world. Let's start with Ring doorbells, Amazon's flagship smart home security device. Ironically, the device meant to keep intruders out is often the easiest way for digital intruders to get in. The most common attack vector is credential stuffing. Hackers take leaked passwords from data breaches. And trust me, your email and password combo is probably already out there, and systematically try them against Ring accounts. Since most people reuse passwords, this works frighteningly often. But here's where it gets technical. Ring devices communicate with Amazon servers using encrypted connections, but the local network traffic isn't always properly secured. Using a technique called packet sniffing, hackers on your local network can intercept unencrypted data. Even scarier is the firmware vulnerability. In 2019, security researchers found that Ring doorbells were sending Wi-Fi passwords in plain text during setup. That means anyone with the right equipment could capture your network credentials just by being nearby during installation. And let's talk about the elephant in the room. Ring's law enforcement partnerships. Your doorbell footage is being shared with over 2,000 police departments, often without warrants. While this might not be hacking in the traditional sense, it's a massive privacy concern that most users don't realize they've signed up for. Now let's move to Alexa and other smart speakers, devices that are literally designed to listen to everything you say. Alexa, the attack possibilities here are mind-blowing. First, there's the skill squatting attack. Hackers create malicious Alexa skills with names similar to legitimate ones. When you say Alexa, open Capital One, you might accidentally trigger Capital One instead, a malicious skill designed to steal your banking information. But the real nightmare scenario is something called dolphin attacks. Researchers have proven that smart speakers can be controlled using ultrasonic frequencies, sounds above human hearing range. A hacker could embed these commands in YouTube videos, TV commercials, or even play them from a device outside your home. Here's a live demonstration of what this looks like. As you can see, the device responds to commands it shouldn't be able to hear. Imagine a hacker using this to unlock smart doors, disable security systems, or make purchases on your account. Then there's the always listening problem. While Amazon claims Alexa only records after hearing the wake word, multiple studies have found devices accidentally recording private conversations. In 2019, thousands of Alexa recordings were accidentally sent to the wrong user, revealing intimate details of strangers' lives. Beyond Ring and Alexa, your entire smart home ecosystem is vulnerable. Let me show you the most common attack vectors hackers use to compromise IoT devices. Default credentials are the low-hanging fruit. Manufacturers ship devices with default usernames and passwords like admin, admin, or user, password. The Mirai botnet infected over 600,000 IoT devices simply by trying default credentials. Your smart thermostat, security cameras, even your smart refrigerator could be part of a botnet right now. Firmware vulnerabilities are another goldmine for hackers. Most IoT devices run on stripped-down operating systems with minimal security features. When vulnerabilities are discovered, many manufacturers are slow to release patches, if they release them at all. Man-in-the-middle attacks exploit weak encryption. Many IoT devices use outdated or improperly implemented encryption protocols. Hackers can position themselves between your device and your router, intercepting and modifying data in real time. Physical access attacks are often overlooked. If a hacker can physically access your device, they can often extract firmware, find debugging ports, or even implant hardware backdoors. That delivery person or maintenance worker could potentially compromise your entire network in seconds. And finally, there's the supply chain attack. Malware embedded in devices during manufacturing. This is the most sophisticated attack vector, where entire product lines are compromised before they even reach consumers. All right, I've probably scared you enough. Let's talk about how to actually protect yourself. I'm going to give you a comprehensive defense strategy that will make your smart home virtually impenetrable. First, network segmentation. This is your most powerful defense. Create a separate IoT network for all your smart devices. Use your router's guest network feature or, better yet, set up a dedicated IoT VLAN. This way, even if one device gets compromised, hackers can't access your main devices. Second, change all default credentials immediately. Every device, every account, every service. Use a password manager to generate unique, strong passwords for each device. I recommend Bitwarden or 1Password for this. Third, enable two-factor authentication everywhere possible. Ring, Alexa, your router admin panel, everything. Use an authenticator app, not SMS, because SIM swapping attacks are becoming more common. Fourth, keep firmware updated religiously. Set up automatic updates where possible and manually check for updates monthly. Create a calendar reminder. This is that important. Fifth, audit your device permissions regularly. Review what data your devices are collecting, who they're sharing it with, and what third-party integrations you've authorized. Revoke anything you don't absolutely need. Sixth, implement network monitoring. Tools like Fingbox or enterprise solutions like Ubiquiti's Unify can alert you to new devices joining your network or unusual traffic patterns. And finally, consider a security-focused router. Brands like Firewalla or enterprise-grade equipment from Ubiquiti offer advanced threat detection and automatic blocking of malicious traffic. Let's recap the key points. Your smart home devices are under constant attack through credential stuffing, firmware vulnerabilities, man-in-the-middle attacks, and even ultrasonic manipulation. The consequences range from privacy invasion to complete network compromise. But you're not defenseless. Network segmentation, strong, unique passwords, two-factor authentication, regular updates, permission audits, network monitoring, and security-focused hardware will protect you from 99% of attacks. Remember, security isn't a one-time setup. It's an ongoing process. The threat landscape is constantly evolving, and your defenses need to evolve with it. If this video opened your eyes to smart home security risks, smash that like button and subscribe for more cybersecurity content. I post new videos every Tuesday covering the latest threats and defense strategies. In the comments, let me know which smart devices you have in your home and whether you've implemented any of these security measures. I read every comment and often create videos based on your suggestions. And if you want to dive deeper into IoT security, check out my previous video on securing your home router. It's the foundation of everything we discussed today. Link is in the description and the end screen. Stay vigilant, stay secure, and remember, in cybersecurity, paranoia is just good planning. I'll see you in the next video. Total runtime, 11 minutes. B-roll suggestions. News footage of IoT attacks, hacker workstations and tools, smart device close-ups and interfaces, network diagrams and animations, security configuration screens, statistics and data visualizations, home network setups, manufacturing and supply chain footage. SEO notes. Keywords naturally integrated throughout script. Technical terms explained for broader audience. Actionable content encourages engagement. Clear structure supports viewer retention. Multiple CTAs throughout video.